Litchfield National Park. Yay!
Never been to Litchfield and not had a super fantastic time, have we? So
No.
we're looking forward to this one.
Yep,
We'll
have a great time.
We're going to have a super time. So looking forward to getting in here and spending a couple of days and once again get around, enjoy the rock pools, have plenty of swims and see where we haven't been before. So let's get in and have some fun, huh?
Yep.
Let's go.
Yay!
Litchfield.
Yeah, we're back.
We are. We're back at Litchfield National Park and we've pulled into the Florence Falls Campground and this is a top spot. Love it here, as you can see. Huge big sites. Last time we were here we were staying over there, which was a great spot. But there's now campground hosts here at the Florence Falls campgrounds and they've got that site, so obviously it was a premium site that we were in. And we're not too far off. The circle is just down here. We arrived around about 9:30 this morning and there was half a dozen sites available. So that's my tip. Get here early, before 10 o'clock in the morning, and you're likely to get yourself a reasonable choice of potential sites. Toilets just through there. And we're on site number 18 if that appeals to anybody, but we quite liked it because relatively flat and we were getting some sunlight for our solar as well, so that works out perfect for us. Lots of information there about Florence Falls, which is just a short walk away. And when I say short walk, it is, but it's something like 150 odd steps, I'm told. Chances are we'll just drive it, but there's a path through there. Alright, we're going to jump into the trusty Triton now and head off and go and do a little bit of exploring, and I think we're going to cool off.
Yeah, have a swim.
Yeah. We'll jump in and have a swim somewhere. Right, Litchfield is amazing. Hope you enjoy this because we certainly know we're going to. Great fun, great place, so much to see and do at Litchfield. The Cathedral Termite Mound, and it's pretty obvious why they're called the Cathedral. Their shape, the way that they are built by the termites.
It's meant to be about 50 years old, at least.
Yeah, they suspect this one to be around about 50 years of age. It is amazing. We've seen all those fires on the sides of the roads coming up, but the termite mounds untouched.
Yeah, they can withstand a lot of heat.
It's incredible. These things are built. They're so amazing the way that the termites build these. They're designed in a certain way and they're built in a certain direction so that they limit the amount of heat within them. So they're quite fascinating, and there's good reason why back in the day they even used the clay from termite mines to build houses.
You can see the fires that have been through here and the green undergrowth coming through.
Yeah, so there has been fires as we showed there yesterday as we drove up, and they've had fires here. So no doubt these are it's what most people commonly call backburning, but it's actually fire hazard reduction.
Fuel reduction, like the sign says.
Yeah,
Reduction burning.
that's it, fuel reduction burning. So the difference between backburning and reduction burning is backburning is designed to save property. So that's where there is a fire, and they backburn backwards, so the fire can't reach a destination, whether it be property or whatever else. So whereas fire hazard reduction is planned fire burning, which is done ahead of time to reduce the impact should a fire occur. And that's what we're seeing through here. And it's smart. They do it in the Northern Territory rather than anywhere else in Australia, but they do it up here and they do it well. And you can see the beautiful undergrowth coming through now. And we'll show you some more footage, but as we were driving here, and we can see a bit coming through up on here now, but the trees get a beautiful green growth to them on top. You got a great undergrowth, and you reduce all that timber and forest and grass and everything that's on the ground, and if there is a fire, it's just going to light up like we saw, only 18 months ago. Okay, so out behind us over here is something really fascinating with the Termite Mounds, and I'll show you that to you shortly. But just in behind us there's also an information board, and that gives you so much information, details about how termite mounds work, especially here in this region where they're quite unique. But let's go on and have a look here, see what we can see.
We also provide a shelter for other animals at Termite Mounds.
Okay.
Yeah, because when there's fires, the goannas and snakes and rats, they can take refuge as well.
These bigger ones are, I suppose, capable of doing that because of the size of them. And the Cathedral ones must have good little access in there. Now this one talks about the alignment and how the design of a termite mound and why they're actually built facing north to south. And it's based on weather and heat, so that it allows the termite mound up here in the Northern Territory, where it can get really, really hot. It allows the termite mound to stay as cool as possible in a region such as this.
It has the least possible area facing the sun.
Yeah. We'll talk here about the critical role of the architecture of a termite mound. I didn't know that one. So this one's saying that termites basically have an inbuilt compass because they're actually blind, and so how do they know which direction to face the mound? So scientists believe they have some sort of inbuilt compass within them.
Amazing.
Litchfield, Kakadu, they seriously are just incredible. People who say Kakadu don't really, they just don't get it. These are two entirely different places. Litchfield and Kakadu should never be compared to each other because they're entirely different. They're not the same. Litchfield is a lot more about fun and doing things, adventures. So all the waterfalls, the swimming holes, Lost City, all of these things, fantastic, completely different experience to Kakadu, which is more cultural and historical, and but neither of them, they shouldn't be compared for that reason. They're in two entirely different places, but both completely amazing and hold so much of Australia's history. You should see both. You need to see both. Forget about the cost to get into Kakadu. It is absolutely worth doing. But anyway, I'll get off my soapbox now. So we can see here all the termite mounds, how they're all built very systematically, and they all face the same direction, north to south. We're just driving along and we've seen a galah on the side of the road here, and he's not moving off the road. We think he's been hit, so we'll have a look and see what we can do.
okay.
That's been alright.
Yeah.
Now there's lots of great places to swim here in Litchfield,
Yep.
but really rock pools, it's my favourite.
Yeah,
Yeah, I do like it in here. It's great. Wangi Falls, Florence Falls, they're all fun. I think this one's my favourite.
Yep. It's nice with the sun on there going through.
Well, that was as much fun as I remember.
Yeah, and more.
Hence why I love really rock pools.
Yeah, we hadn't gone to the really lower ones before. So
No, it was a little bit different from where we'd been before. I really enjoyed that. That's not going to be the only time we visit Bewley Rock Pools while we're here.
A few swims in while we're here for a couple of days.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we will. And alright, so Termite Mounds done, Bewley Rock Pools done, rock hole, and now we need to get some firewood for our fire and cook our dinner tonight. That was so much fun. It was so cool too.
Yeah, cool. It was just a tiny bit cold when you got in, and then it was beautiful.
It's just the perfect water temp.
Yep.
Love it here. Litchfield. I think we might have to do Litchfield on the way out, eh?
We could do that too.
Alright. That was great fun. I'm hungry.
Yes, let's have lunch.
Yeah, time for some lunch. Let's go and do that. Have a look at what's going on behind us here. There's obviously fire burning, so hoping now we don't get asked to leave. Let's hope they've got that under control. Well, here we are this morning. Florence Falls, we're about to go for a swim. We've come a little bit early to get in before the buses arrive. Just over here on my left, there's heaps of bats there in the trees, flying foxes everywhere. We're joined this morning by Steve and Donna as well. We invited ourselves along with them. We had good fun last night. We had a barbecue and we actually cooked on the fire. We're just watching a bat here circling around the top of the tree. The falls are flowing beautifully. There's not too many people down there, just a couple of people from what we can see, but and the sun hasn't got it yet, so not sure how cool it's going to be. Geez, it does look good, doesn't it? All right, let's do the walk down. This is a bit of fun. 134, 135 steps from memory, all the way down, and then you've got to make your way all the way back up again. How's those knees feeling, Adele?
Yeah, hopefully they'll be right coming back up. They're going down.
Yeah. Adele's knees play up when she's going down step. All right, let's do this. How about you guys doing the steps? No knee issues?
We'll see.
Just age and health issues? Oh, you're the youngest one out of all of us, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You can see the falls through there. Those bats are noisy. There's noodles everywhere here. There's a blue one here, there's a pink one over the back, over there. Let's go and have a look. This is such a beautiful spot. One of the most amazing waterfalls there are in Australia for rock pools and swimming. Absolutely gorgeous. Lost my problem. I told Deb about licking the screen so that your GoPro doesn't have water blobs on it, and I just caught her doing it. The sun's starting to come across on the falls. How good's this?
Oh, it's beautiful. The water's not even that cold.
No. It's cool, but not cold. Yeah.
9 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, it's had no sun on it. Yeah. It's just beautiful, so refreshing. A good bun underneath the waterfall.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. But it's pretty powerful coming down.
Yeah, trying to swim out to it.
Yeah, it's like swimming too, because the waterfall's pushing the it's not a tide, but it's pushing the water against you, the flow.
Yeah.
And so last time I was buggered when I tried doing it, so this time I took the noodle, and it worked because it helped you stay afloat and control getting under there. But last time there was a ledge underneath there, but I couldn't find it this time. I wanted to sit on it, but what a beautiful spot. It's just amazing. There's just so much here to explore in Litchfield, so maybe we'll get down tomorrow morning again, but we've got to get back to Bjork.
Yeah, that's it.
We have a bit of a day planned today, so get out and see some more stuff. So I think it'll be around about 9:30ish now.
Yeah, I think so.
So yeah, we'll get back from here and head out and do some exploring. Some places we haven't seen here at Litchfield before.
Take the 4-drive and...
Yep. Now that we've got the Triton, we can get out and see some of these places we weren't able to do in the motorhome. Here we go. 135 unavoidable stairs up to the lookout and up to the top, and then it's just a simple walk on the path back to Florence Falls Campground. It's the path to the lower campground. They call it the 4-wheel drive campground, but it's basically bitumen all the way. There's one bit of a dip. Apart from that, you can pretty much access it. I saw plenty of caravans down there. And then they throw these extra few steps just for fun.
In our next episode, we continue to have fun and explore Litchfield National Park. We take a hike to see more waterfalls and the amazing formations around Litchfield.
There's more fun swimming in rock holes, but Wongai Falls is closed after a crocodile sighting just days before. 4 days ago.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already.